Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to show you a smart way where you can track your progress and plan your revisions for your academics. This is something I used to do in my school and college days, especially in college days where you have lot many subjects to do. So as we know that in UPSC there are a lot of subjects like Indian polity, governance in India, Indian economy, modern history, ancient and medieval India, world geography, Indian geography, Indian art and culture. So what I have planned over here is like creating a workbook with the kind of books that I have, what are the chapters in that particular book, and with the author and this kind of bifurcation. In this, I have planned a minimum of two revisions. Like for you guys, like if you want to crack up the examinations, a minimum of two revisions is very good score. So here it's like subject Indian polity, Shri M. Lakshmikant. You can create this workbook in your Excel file. Okay, if you go to Microsoft Excel, you can like create this. And first column over here is the chapter name. Next is the date of first read. Notes or summary status. The notes and summary can be like two types. Like for notes is something that is more detailed. Okay, summary is something that maybe like one page summary. If you are able to make one or two maximum 2 page summary, or you can say for every 10 pages 1 page summary, it will be great. I mean that is like practicing the shorthand writing. The status of first revision and due date of first revision is in the part. Again, due date for second revision. So the gap between the first revision and second revision I have kept almost for about a month. Okay, then is status of second revision again. Previous year questions of the chapter, like for example of this particular chapter, the first chapter of Lakshmikant is historical background. So if you have any previous year questions, or if you like from any particular book or any kind of like question bank, you can refer it. Any special comments, like is it like something to be revised again and again? Like this particular chapter is only read through, so that is the reason I've suggested that only just read through. Okay, any more revision done? If you are going beyond two revisions, then you can put this part. And what is the area of focus? Like in this particular chapter, the area of focus is the regulating act, the charter act, and the relevant points. Like in which particular charter act, what was introduced? Okay, like 1813, again 1833, 1853. So what were the provisions or new provisions that were introduced? So that is like I felt that is an area of focus. Okay. So over here, I've written in detail all the chapters of Lakshmikant since I have that book. So yes, historical making of the Indian Constitution, as you can see. Okay, so this is like the entire chapter thing. Now this is something you have to write it up. You can create this again. I take a different worksheet for a different subject. This entire workbook can be UPSC workbook. This is like a different worksheet. So this is again subject governance in India. Again, there's a different book of Sri Lakshmi M. Lakshmikant. Okay, now these are the chapters, if you can see. So here again we follow the same thing and we highlight it. You can even see, I don't think all the chapters are there in the particular syllabus. Okay, so whatever is there, you can just like fill it with any particular color. Let's say like any particular chapter maybe which is not there, you can just like go and take something and maybe highlight it in a different color, like this is not there, so it's like that. So nothing to worry on this. So what I done is like I just made a content of all the chapters. Similarly, Indian economy, I have this book of Sri Rangam, and these are the chapters. 29 chapters are there. Modern history again spectrum, that is by Mr. Rajiv Ahir. This is the new edition, so there are some little bit more chapters. Okay, ancient and medieval India by Tata McGraw-Hill. World geography. So I have this common book of India and world geography by Majid Hussain. I'm not having the NCRT part, so I'm just like telling you, like like this book, since I have it, so I have kept the chapters into two different workbooks. So in one workbook, like worksheet, I have kept world geography over here, and in the next worksheet, I have the Indian geography over here, and then comes Indian art and culture. Again, there are a lot of other tools. Okay, example, For example, there are a lot of other tools like certain softwares that project managers use, like Trello. It's a website, okay, and Asana. So these are websites where you can create different workboards. Like you can track your progress, and it looks good. I mean, those who want to add a creative element to the progress. So when you do all this, you feel like you're doing something. These are some of the hacks where actually it motivates you to do something, because this gives you a feel of, in that like it's a professional thing that you're doing, and you can track your progress at where you are landing. Now that this kind of workbook is there, if you create this kind of workbook and with the chapters bifurcated, it will take you just around, I would say, just 7 to 8 hours of data entry. I mean, like you have to put like manually type the number of chapters and all that, and then you have to upload it on a daily basis. You can create a link out of this, and not just that, you can even create charts, so you can gauge your percentage, or let's say you can add one more column over there like test series. There are many test series around in the internet, okay. So if there are test series, there will be chapter wise scores, so you can add your scores over there, and again you can add further columns, so you can play around as you can like. So this is how things are. So this is something I used to do in my engineering days, because tracking your subjects and revisions and assignments, engineering is more about assignments, class tests, and projects, okay, especially once you go into your second, third, and fourth year. So this is something that actually used to help me out. Again, in the various softwares that I have already mentioned, that is Trello and Asana, etc., it's like creating a workboard, and under workboard there are different work cards, and automatically you can get mail updates as well. So this is the thing up from me, and I hope this helps you, and wish you all the very best and the progress. Be smart in your approaches and try to explore different methods of studying. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, take care.